And here we go with another note on editing. So once you have filled in the relevant data for each of the required fields at the start of your document, you're now going to want to get started with the questions themselves. Okay, so under here, as you see, each paragraph has its own table area. Why is that? Well, essentially what that enables you to do is, if you're doing what I'm doing now, which you really shouldn't be doing, which is highlight, copy, and going back here to paragraph 1 and pasting. Why don't we do that? Not only do you stand a chance of having your question paper being returned to sender, it also breaks up the editing style that's been set up. So as you can see, the comprehension area needs to be 12 point and Arial. I click inside here, it seems slightly off. Why is that? Well, it's because some of the minor formatting items have been changed. Now there's two ways of getting around this, aside from not copying and pasting. We just highlight and go to here where it says clear all formatting, and that does as advertisers, removes all formatting. So that's paragraph settings, that's drop case, that is pretty much anything you can apply from a font perspective gets removed from the actual text itself. So now we're back to Arial 12, and as we should be. But that doesn't change the fact that you have more than one paragraph in your section here. So left click, highlight, and paste. So what am I doing here is I am fixing what was done wrong in the first place. Simple highlight and paste. Okay. What's the side effect of using the wrong method? I now have a lot more open spaces than I really need. How do I know this? Well, go back to paragraph marking here, click, and as you can see, I have way more paragraph marks than I need. How am I getting rid of the ones that are at the end of the line? As you see where I'm putting my mouse here, just in front of the paragraph mark, I'm clicking delete, and that takes care of that extra line that automatically gets added at the end of each paragraph. So here's my comprehension piece in the right format, in the right setup. Okay, that's the long way of doing this. I've just taken a couple of minutes. So best not to copy and paste from the start. So to start typing in your comprehension paragraph, click over here, highlight, and just start typing. So as you type, you will see the table pretty much expands to as is needed. So also please keep in mind each paragraph appears in its own little table area here, nicely marked. If you find yourself copying and pasting, use one paragraph at a time. So copy, right click and paste, and under paste options, make sure you keep text only. So don't worry about destination theme, source formatting, merge. Keep text only. That way you pretty much just insert basic text. It's not formatted from the previous document to the current document. If you forget to do that when you Control V, or if you just paste using keyboard shortcuts, Control C for copy, Control V for paste, every time you paste something, you will have this little smart tag appear right at the bottom, and you just click on the little arrow pointing down, paste options, and there we go. Make sure it's set to keep plain text only. If you didn't do that, remember, highlight under home, font, and you can clear all formatting. That's just useful to do if you find if you're copying from a different document or something that you're copying from your current document that doesn't look right while you're busy working.